Hazrat Ali described about greed as Al-hirsu yankusu qadra rajuli wala yazidu fi rizqihi. Covetousness lowers a person's dignity and doesn't increase his sustenance. Al-harisu la yarda. The greedy is never satisfied. Al-harisu mat'ubun. The greedy remains tired. He further said, Al-harisun fakirun wa in malaka dunya bi khaza'iniha. Even if the greedy has the treasures of the world, he remains a pauper and indigent. At-tamyo fi visaki zulle. A greedy person lives in humiliation. He mentioned, La yajtamyu tam'o wal vara'o. Greed and abstinence can't coexist. Al-abdu hurun in qana'a. A slave is free as long as he does contentment. Al-hurru abdun ma tama'a. A free is slave as long as he is greedy. Hazrat Ali mentioned, Al-hirsu muqiyun fi kabir zanoob. Greed makes a person fall into major sins. He said, my lover is lam yatma tamal ghurab, who doesn't covet and greed like a crow. At-tamau rikun mawabbadun. Greed is eternal slavery. Zayd ibn Suhan asked Hazrat Ali, what is the most humiliating thing? Hazrat Ali answered, it is greed. He further said, one who learns from the events of the world, his greed decreases. And the one who made greed his habit, in fact the person who blamed himself. Hazrat Ali wrote a letter to his governor of Egypt, Malik ibn Ashtar Nakhi. O Malik, don't be tempted to your relatives to get land from you. In this way you will be harmed by it in this world and the world hereafter.